Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Vita EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a multi-strategy Confluence system built specifically for gold with an optional real AI copilot. So let's break it down. Firstly, as you can see, it goes for 399 US dollars. And if we expand this, you can see that the Vita EA is a fully automated expert advisor designed for XAUUSD. It runs up to 15 independent strategies at the same time, as you can see, 15 independent trading strategies at once, including order blocks, fair value gaps, week off, harmonics, volume profile, Ichimoku, smart money concepts, and more. A trade is only taken when enough of these strategies agree on the same direction. You can also activate an optional AI mode that sends every signal to a real external model. It could be Cloud, GPT-4o, Gemini, Grok, or DeepSeek for a second opinion. The AI returns a confidence score and a simple trade or skip verdict based on price action, session, spread, and the confluence score. You can see it gives a confidence rating from 0 to 100 and the simple verdict as well. So there are 5 operating modes ranging from pure order block to full multi-strategy confluence, hybrid, auto switch, and fully independent. Speed, session filters, lot sizing methods, and pending order styles are all adjustable. You can see the recommended settings. Let's talk about the key features. Um, the key features include the 15 strategy confluence engine, optional real AI copilots with 5 providers, 5 operating models, or 5 operating modes rather, speed presets, chart time frame safety lock, 3 lot sizing methods, 4 pending order styles, a 5-level grid system with smart trailing, live goal dashboard, and independent session controls. So as we previously said, the recommended settings are XAUUSD on the M15 timeframe or the H1 timeframe with a minimum deposit around $500 to $1,000 recommended. Normal mode works offline, while AI mode requires a valid API key and internet connection. All right, so we have some screenshots on the website actually, so you can see some results. So taking a look at the equity curve, you can see how it looks. Pretty decent actually. You can see decent movement to the upside. It just trends upwards, almost in like a straight 45-degree angle line, barring the little drawdowns here and there. Overall, it looks very contained. You can see the balance drawdown was just 0.23%. And the total net profits on an initial deposit of $100 was $1,010. The profit factor was 945. All right, but does this actually hold up when put through my own personal backtests? Let's head over to MT5 and check it out. So I was opportune to carry out my own personal backtest on the EA. You can see I have it installed on the recommended pair, the XAUUSD, and the recommended time frame as well, M15, for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my backtest on a 10K account, as you can see, my initial deposit was $10,000. The equity curve shows steady, controlled growth with very low drawdowns. You can see in the results that the net profit is modest but still positive at around $997. The profit factor was 4.30, the recovery factor 5.32, and the drawdown was just 1.46%. All right, so this type of equity curve is encouraging because the growth is gradual and drawdown stays small. It suggests the Confluence filters and risk settings used in the test were relatively conservative. However, the presence of a 5-level grid system means that under different settings or market conditions, the risk profile can change significantly. The multi-strategy approach and optional AI second opinion aim to provide signal quality. The single majority or hybrid confirmation logic is designed to reduce random entries. Still, gold remains highly volatile, and any system that includes grid elements requires careful monitoring of maximum exposure. Honestly, the features that matter most are the confluence threshold, whether the grid is enabled or limited, the risk sizing method, and whether AI mode is used with a high confidence filter. The dashboard's visibility is a practical plus for ongoing oversights. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, let's just go back to the website. Multi-strategy confluence can still produce cluster losses if many strategies fail together during regime changes. The optional grid increases risks if not tightly controlled. AI mode depends on external API reliability and costs. In practice, start with normal mode and conservative risks. Disable or strictly limit the grids, and thoroughly demo test across different gold conditions, as past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, I'll say Vita EA is a feature-rich multi-strategy confluence system for gold with an optional real AI copilot. The shared backtest showed control growths and low drawdown under the tested settings. Independent verification, conservative risks, and clear limits on any grid usage are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.